Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to block the internet of any specific application in Windows 11. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. So let us get started. First of all, open the file location of the application whose internet you want to block. Suppose I want to block the internet for Chrome. So what I need to do is right-click on it. Then go to Open File Location. After that, right-click on the Chrome exe file. Then click on Copy as Path. Now just close the window and open your Windows settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security. Then click on Windows Security. After that, go to Firewall and Network Protection. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. After that, allow the permission. Now, minimize this window. Here you will see a new window. From the left side, click on Outbound Rules. Then click on New Rule. Make sure Program is selected and click on Next. Now paste the path address that you copied earlier. From the address, just remove the double quotation marks from both sides. Then click on Next. After that, make sure Block the Connection is selected. Then click on Next. Once again, click on Next. Now type a name for the rule. Finally, click on Finish. Now let me check the application internet connection. You can see my Wi-Fi is connected. If I try to open any site, you can see the internet is not working for this application. Now let me show you how to unblock the internet for this application. Reopen the Windows Defender firewall. At the top of the window, you will see your rule. Just select it. Then from the action bar, click on Delete. Confirm it by clicking on Yes. That is it. Now if I reload the browser, you can see it is working properly. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.